Microsoft Dynamics 365. Finance is a powerful tool for managing your finances, but before you make the investment, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for your small business or large enterprise, it's important to weigh it against competitors like QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Sage. Let's dive into the key points. First, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance offers robust financial management features, including accounting, budgeting, and financial reporting. It's designed for mid-sized to large enterprises, making it a powerful competitor to tools like QuickBooks, which are typically aimed at smaller businesses. But Dynamics 365 can feel complex if you don't have dedicated accounting resources, which might be a downside for smaller teams. Next thing, integration is a strong point. If you're already using other Microsoft tools like Outlook, Teams, or Office 365, Dynamics 365 integrates seamlessly with those. This is something competitors like Sage or QuickBooks struggle with, especially when it comes to syncing with other business applications. However, you may need an IT expert to fully leverage all the integrations, which could increase your costs. The third thing to consider is its scalability. Dynamics 365 is designed to grow with your business. Whether you're expanding operations or adding new locations, it can scale without major reconfigurations. Unlike QuickBooks, which might require you to upgrade or switch software as your business grows, Dynamics 365 provides a more flexible solution in the long run. Now, the fourth thing, customization. With Dynamics 365, you can customize workflows, reports, and dashboards. But keep in mind, customization can be time-consuming and expensive. In comparison, software like NetSuite or Sage might offer less flexibility, but is easier to implement with fewer customization hurdles. The fifth thing is security. Microsoft's cloud infrastructure provides enterprise-level security, including data encryption and compliance with various standards. This gives Dynamics 365 an edge over smaller accounting tools, which might not have the same level of security or compliance features built in. The sixth thing is its AI-powered capabilities. Dynamics 365 uses artificial intelligence to help with forecasting, budgeting, and detecting financial anomalies. This is a big advantage over competitors like QuickBooks, which lacks advanced AI tools. However, some users may find it overwhelming or unnecessary depending on their needs. Next, we have reporting. Dynamics 365. Finance offers detailed, customizable financial reports, which can be automated to save you time. This is particularly helpful when compared to software like QuickBooks, where reporting options might not be as extensive or customizable. Still, you may need some training to create and fine-tune these reports to fit your exact needs. The eighth thing to think about is its pricing model. Microsoft Dynamics 365 can be expensive, especially when you factor in the cost of customizations and integrations. For small businesses, this could be a significant investment compared to alternatives like Sage or even Xero, which offer more affordable pricing. The ninth thing, user interface. While Microsoft Dynamics 365 has an intuitive interface, it's often said to have a steeper learning curve compared to simpler software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. If you don't have experience with ERP systems, it could take some time to get used to all the features and menus. Now, the 10th thing is customer support. Microsoft offers robust support, including a large knowledge base and community forums, but some users report slower response times for direct support. Competitors like NetSuite tend to have dedicated support teams for their customers, which can be a more responsive option for businesses that need quick help. The 11th thing is mobile accessibility. Dynamics 365 has a mobile app allowing you to manage finances on the go. This is great if you're used to working from different locations. While QuickBooks and other competitors have mobile apps as well, some users find Dynamics app to be more feature-rich and integrated with other Microsoft tools. Finally, the 12th thing you should know is the implementation process. Dynamics 365. Finance requires a comprehensive setup, which can take weeks or even months. This is much longer compared to quicker setups from alternatives like FreshBooks or Wave, but the result is a more tailored and integrated solution that can handle complex financial needs. So, while Microsoft